Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. If you're not aware, I have a giveaway going on. The Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collab conspiracy palette giveaway. That'll be linked down below, and there's other information down there if you'd like to take a peek. Today we have Trunk Club. It is a clothing subscription or a clothing styling service. You get a stylist. I don't think you fill out a profile with this one, but if I remember correctly, you do speak to your stylist on the phone the first time. I don't know, I've been a member for so long. My link will be down below, and there will be a playlist linked down below of all of my trunk clubs if you are interested. But basically, whenever you want, you get a box and you message your stylist and you tell your stylist what you want. She puts together a trunk for you. I really like my stylist. If you use my link, I'm almost positive that you get my stylist. I highly recommend her. She has my style down pretty well. The main issue I run into with Trunk Club is the sizing, but that is, of course, not her fault. Let's get into Trunk Club. So this time around, I did ask her for a mixture of sweatshirts for winter and then date night dresses. Usually I just have my trunks revolve around date night dresses, but occasionally I'll go outside of that. And this time I did ask her for some sweaters. I think I may have also asked her for sweatpants or, I don't know, comfortable bottoms to go with those sweatshirts. I did give a price point on those because while my date night dresses, I don't really have a budget with sweaters and things of that nature. I do tend to kind of stick with a budget unless I'm super, super in love with it. With Trunk Club, there is a styling fee for new members. I don't pay one because I've been a member for so long, but with the styling fee, it does get applied to your purchase. Return shipping label, you put everything back in the box that you don't want to keep, take it back to the UPS, or you can actually schedule it and they can pick it up. You can schedule a pickup for your front porch or whatever. Let's see. So you do get a sheet that tells you everything that's in your trunk. If something is on sale, it will not reflect in this sheet, but it will reflect when you go to check out. So sometimes that's a nice little surprise with Trunk Club. Let's get into it. So first we have the Moonbeam V-neck sweater in a size small by Free People, Dream Lagoon for $128. We also have the Emerson Slim Boyfriend Jeans in a size 28 by Citizens of Humanity in blue for $228. We also have Knit Tech gloves in blush for $29. And the Natasha Crystal beanie in pink for $34. I do really like this sweater. It's really soft, it's really comfortable. I am unsure of the price. It is a little steep. These gloves, I only put one on because I didn't want to detach them. They are comfortable, but probably going to be a no. I'm not really a gloves type of person. The beanie is cute. It'll definitely go in the maybe pile. I do like the beaded detail on it. It is kind of sticking straight up because I am wearing a bun underneath. And these jeans, while they do fit really nice, they actually fit kind of big. They're kind of big around the waist. They're comfortable, but they're a little big around the waist, and I'm not sure of the price. So they will probably go in the no pile. Next, we have a Highland V-neck sweater in a small by Free People Polcano combo for $128. And we also have this hat that I'm not going to put on my head because I like the other one better. And it is a faux fur palm beanie by Topshop for $26. And I'm still wearing the same jeans. I think that the hat is cute. I just prefer the other one, so I'm not going to put this one on my head. I do like this sweater. I think it's really cute, but for the price, it'll go in the maybe pile. I think it's really, really cute, but for the price, I'm going to have to pick one or the other if I pick any at all. So next we have the Cozy V-neck sweater in a size small by Lathe in black for $59. And we also have the cargo joggers in a medium, all in Favor and Olive for $52. This shirt is really soft. It is really baggy. It's everything I like in a sweater, although the off-the-shoulder aspect of this is more of a fuss, and like it's something that I have to constantly do or it keeps popping back up, so I don't know if I necessarily like that as with the other sweaters, how it just kind of hung off of my shoulder and it was really kind of like a no fuss, no muss sort of a thing. But it is really soft and it is really comfortable. I do like these cargo joggers. I am not typically a jogger type of a person, but these are really comfortable and I like the pocket detailing and I do like how they cuff around the ankle. I don't know if they're supposed to be baggy like that because like I said, I don't really wear joggers, but these will definitely go in the maybe pile because I like them. So next we have the faux fur pull-through scarf by UGG in pink for $85. We have the Breton stripe pullover in a size small by Free People in black for $98. And we also have the Mom Jean Frey ankle jeans. These aren't Frey ankle. Comfort Stretch Edition by Madewell in a size 27 for $79.50. This scarf is a no. It is way too hot. I feel like I'm dying in it. The sweater, I do like it. It is soft. It is comfortable. It will go in the maybe pile, and these jeans are a no. They are just a little too tight. They're not very soft. They're too tight in the waist. They're a little too tight in the butt, but they're really stiff, and I don't enjoy that in a jean. So next we have off-the-shoulder sweater by Leith in a small in pink for $59, and we also have jogger pants by Sanctuary in a small in black for $89. This shirt is cute, but it is kind of fussy, so it doesn't just hang. If I were to lift my arms up, it goes up, and I would much rather have a sweater, like I mentioned before, where it just kind of hangs off of the shoulder and I don't have to fuss with it. These pants are just a little too tight around the waist for me. They are cute, but they are a no. So both of these are going to be a no, but I do think the shirt is cute. I just don't want to have to fuss with a shirt. Next, we have the Serena V-back sweater in a medium by Aster the Label in red for $98. I do think that this sweater is really cute and I love the color, but it's itchy, so I will never wear it. It's going to go in the no pile. If this were one of the more comfortable sweater knits, it would definitely be in the maybe pile, but it's a no. So next we have Zebra long sleeve mini dress in a small by Bardot in Zebra for $149. I absolutely love this dress. If it was not a turtleneck. I hate anything up around my neck. I am claustrophobic, so I don't like anything up around my neck like this. But good Lord, if this was a V-neck or any other kind of neck, I would definitely be buying this. I absolutely love the way the sleeves kind of billow out, and I love that it's a mini dress. And I love the print. Next we have long sleeve surplice ribbed mini sweater dress in a medium by row A in olive for $55. I do like this dress. It's soft, it's comfortable. I like the way it's cut low in the front and short on the bottom. So this dress will definitely go in the maybe pile. Next we have a long sleeve sweater dress in a small by Bardot in yellow for $99. Again, it's really soft, it's really comfortable, but it has a turtleneck, and that is just a no-go for me. Okay, so that was Trunk Club. I do have quite a few things in the maybe pile. I have to make some decisions. Once I do, when I figure out what I'm keeping, I'll throw pictures up in the corners somewhere. And that's Trunk Club. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day. Bye.